All right, guys, if you're invested in cryptocurrency, you have to watch this video to the end, especially if you're wondering when the actual bull market, when you're going to make money, then do not skip any part of this video.
Bitcoin and
I
crypto
have
price
prepared
movement detected.
the 4 cycles for you guys that are based on the halving. Most importantly, we want to look at what happens post-halving of Bitcoin and how the cycle continues and how many days do we have before we start seeing the money rolling in? How many days do we have remaining in this bull run? And when do Bitcoin hit $100,000? That is the subject for today. So let's get started immediately. This video is brought to you guys by DeFi Technologies. In the US, it's DEFTF, which is a crypto company you need to know about. It's positioned to thrive in today's financial landscape, offering innovation and massive growth potential. DeFi Technologies isn't just playing the crypto space, they're leading it. Their subsidiary, Valor Inc., offers a range of physically backed and fully hedged digital asset ETPs, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. They've got products across major European exchanges with low to zero management fees. Their flagship products, Bitcoin Zero and Ethereum Zero, are fully hedged passive investments with no fees. That's a game changer for crypto investors. The team behind DeFi Technologies is fully invested in its success, with 45% of the company owned by its founders and senior management. They have a strong commitment to pushing the company forward. The CEO alone owns 17.9 million shares, and they have announced a major buyback program aiming to repurchase 27 million shares. This shows their strong belief in the company's future. DeFi Technologies isn't limited to just Europe. They're expanding to Africa, one of the fastest growing crypto markets. Valor Inc., which is also part of DeFi Technology, is recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the Nairobi Securities Exchange to launch digital asset products in Kenya, a key hub for digital innovation. These positions DeFi to capitalize on a rapidly growing market. On top of that, DeFi is building its treasury with strategic crypto holdings. They have been increasing their Bitcoin holdings to over 204 Bitcoins, acquired 12,775 Solana. That's crazy. And are actively staking core tokens. Through management fees, staking, and lending, they're generating 8 to 10% returns on assets under management, something rare in the industry. With its strong foundation, global expansion, and exciting growth potential, DeFi Technologies is a company poised for major success. Don't miss your chance to be part of the journey. So I just want to make it clear that DeFi Technologies is not a cryptocurrency. It's actually a stock trading in the stock market in Europe, US, and like you have read it also in Africa as well. So make sure to check it out. I'll put the link in the description as well. I have prepared a beautiful chart for you guys that will help you understand the cycle of the markets, especially Bitcoin, and then the altcoins follow the same as well. So the black lines here represent Bitcoin halving, starting from 2012 and then about 2016, and we have 2020, and we have 2024, 4 years. So if you look at the chart, you'll be able to tell that when the halving itself happens, this is a weekly chart, by the way, so it's a lot more compressed, but you'll be able to tell that immediately after the halving takes place, we don't always just start going up immediately. It takes a little bit of time. But the period between the halving itself until the bull market is this time in between. It's usually a minimum of 1 year. So starting from the 2012 halving, we had 364 days from the day of the halving until the market started crashing, which is 52 bars, that's 52 weeks. And then what followed there was the halving of 2016. We saw things happen here, and we had 525 days until the market crashed in 2017, the end of 2017, followed by where we are looking at now in 2020. From here, we had 560 days. From the halving, it was all a pump since the halving up until 2021, we started crashing. And now in 2024, we just had the halving right here in April, and we have consolidated somewhat, lost a little bit of momentum on Bitcoin. But if you go back in history, you will be able to tell also that this is what happened before. Right here in 2020, even after the halving, we didn't start pumping almost immediately. We consolidated for several weeks. And the halving itself was in May 2020, but we started pumping in October, on the 5th of October 2020. So this is also where the October comes in. A lot of people talk about October because historically it's been a bullish market for Bitcoin essentially. And you can also go back to the 2016 halving here, where we pumped towards the halving, and then right after the halving, we crashed and consolidated for a while. I'll just zoom in a little bit more so that you guys can make sense of what's going on here. So Bitcoin was at $650, then it crashed to $483, then it consolidated, and the bull market itself went strike at 27th of March in 2017. So the red periods here represent times where the market was going down. So what does this all mean for where we are right now? It definitely means that we have 511 days between the halving of 2024 until the market consolidate or crash again. So we're in the bull run right now, even though it might not feel like it because we're been losing momentum and Bitcoin's been going down. But any moment from now, we're going to get a strike moment. A striking moment is when the number starts going up and we start making money again. And what you want to do at this point is to prepare yourself. How do you prepare? You put your longs and you also buy at spot the kind of coins that you want to buy. So this is for Bitcoin, obviously, but altcoins also follow the same chart. So the best you can do for yourself, prepare, buy the coins that you believe in, long Bitcoin at these levels, altcoins, Ethereum, and several others. I'm going long on Bybit right now. I put 3x leverage, and when the market has more momentum, I can change and increase my buy orders, or I can increase my leverage at that point. So this is the moment before the pump right here. So do not let anyone tell you that, oh, Bitcoin is going to crash. Nope. According to historical data and also macroeconomics, the Fed in the US will start cutting rates. This is going to result in Bitcoin's price going up. So prepare, have your money ready. And if you want to trade with me, make sure you join our Telegram group. Link is in the description below, and you can join our trading sessions weekly. If you want to use the tools that I use for trading, links in the description below or in my bio for crypto exchanges that I use. You get a lot of bonuses if you use those. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. If you're sleeping on, I'm still waiting at 40,000 levels. Crash is going to be the last dump. But meanwhile, just in case we don't go that lower, I think these levels are a good moment to buy long or buy spot, and then you can make millions of dollars in the next coming months, because the bull market is from October all the way until sometime in 2025. Here it shows that September, according to this analysis that I put together over here. All right, leave comments, retweet, and yeah, if you have any questions, see you guys in our Discord, and see you later. Cheers, guys.